Hello! In this video, we're going to look at the headline and summary section of your resume. We'll look at what information you need to include here and prepare you to write your own headline and summary. In the past, people wrote an objective in their resume. This objective described what the candidate was looking for in a job. However, nowadays, it is more popular to use a headline instead of an objective. Can you see what the headline in this resume is? That's right. In this case, it's Project Coordinator, someone who manages or is in charge of a piece of work. The headline is a phrase that highlights your value as a candidate for the position you're applying for. It is often the job title, which you want. It should be short and specific. Avoid making it too general. Again, refer back to the job advertisement and search the key words there for help with this. The next part is the summary. The summary is a short paragraph where you can list your strengths and experience making you a better candidate. Often, the summary is followed by a series of bullet points listing your key skills. If we look at Abdul's resume again, we can see he has included both a summary paragraph and a bullet point list of his skills. Now, let's take a closer look at each of these things. In the summary section, Abdul has highlighted his strengths and experience. He says, highly motivated, 5 years experience in a fast-paced consulting environment, exceptional analytical ability, talent for managing information, certified associate in project management, CAPM certification. These are all things he wants the employer who reads his resume to see and then say, this Abdul guy is a great fit for my project coordinator position. Abdul then goes on to list some of his key skills. As we learned in our lesson about keywords, these skills should try to relate to the keywords in the job advertisement. The first set of skills he lists, the ones on the left, are related to project coordination or management. After all, he's applying for a project coordinator position. These include project coordination, setup and monitoring, and communication. The second set of skills, the ones on the right, are related to Microsoft software programs, such as SharePoint, Project, and Excel. Overall, as you can see, Abdul makes a good first impression with the employer by writing a short and specific headline, a clear summary of his strengths and experience, and a bullet point list of his key skills. All these are directly connected to the job advertisement for the job he's applying to, and uses key words from that ad. In this video, I hope you have learned the importance of using a headline and a summary in your resume. Next, we will look at another important part of your resume, work experience. Bye for now.